Hi, welcome back to my kitchen. I haven't been around for a while, I know. I've been busy working and I'm cooking, but I haven't really been making any different dishes. So that's why I haven't been posting or uploading any new videos. But today I'm going to make breakfast for dinner. I love it. Today happens to be Pancake Tuesday, or they also call it Fat Tuesday, the day before Lent. I happen to be Catholic, so I try to follow this tradition. Okay. What am I doing? Maybe I should tell you guys what I'm making for dinner. I'm making pancakes, bacon, toast, okay? But I'm also going to make omelet in the oven. Simple, so simple to make. You preheat your oven to 350, okay? Now, I'm using 9 eggs. You got 9 eggs. We're going to add to this. We're going to add a teaspoon of salt. Which is fine. Okay, we're going to add a half a cup of milk. Half a cup of milk. Okay, we're going to add a half a cup of sour cream. Okay. Maybe I should have added the milk after the sour cream. That way I would have cleaned the measuring cup. I can still add a little bit more milk. There. Okay, I'm going to cut up my peppers because I'm going to add peppers. You can add peppers, you can add onion, whatever you like. I'm just going to whisk this together. Actually, you could even add ham, but just remember though, it's going to take a little bit longer in the oven. Okay. You know, I like the whisk, but I like my fork better. I find it so much easier to whisk this instead of whisking it, to fork it with my fork. But anyways. So once you got this all mixed up together, I'm going to spray, well, you can put butter if you want in your baking dish, but I'm going to spray my baking dish. And that's it. Okay, set that aside. This is all whisked up together nicely. Now we're going to pour that into my dish. Okay. Add the red peppers. I think this is too many peppers. We're just going to put the one. I thought I was going to add 2 peppers, but I think the 1 pepper is going to be just fine. Yeah. And that's it. Okay, I changed my mind. I added both peppers. I thought, what am I going to do with this extra pepper already cut up? So you know what? It's in there. So now we're going to put this in the oven at 350. And we're going to bake it for 25 to 30 minutes. Until it's nice and fluffy. Okay? Anyways, at around the 25-minute mark, I'm going to add some shredded cheese on the top and put it back in until that melts down. And that's it. My bacon is ready. I had bacon cooking in the oven. I'll show you that. Sorry. I'm a little bit off. I'm a little bit off today. Bacon is ready. Okay, I cook it in the oven. So easy, doesn't make a mess on your stove or anything. Okay. This is going into the oven now. I'll see you in a bit. Okay, my buzzer just went off. The omelet has been in the oven now for roughly 30 minutes. Look how beautiful that is. Okay, I'm going to just sprinkle some cheese on the top. Beautiful. Okay, I'm going to put that back in the oven for about probably another, I don't know, 5 minutes. But just keep an eye on it, okay? You just want the cheese to melt. That's it. A couple of minutes. And that's it. Okay.